Take a moment to check out the 2023 Nissan Titan. You'll love the comfort of this handsome Titan. Its serene cabin, luxurious seating, and quick acceleration elevate every excursion. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: lane departure warning, keyless entry, backup camera, adaptive cruise control, heated mirrors, four-wheel drive, keyless start, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth connection. Add a new level of luxury to every excursion in this handsome Titan. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.